still remember the first time I saw the LSINC machine at FESPA Dubai. Pro Technology, the regional distributor for LSINC in the Middle East, had a massive stand, and there was a crowd gathered around the machine the entire time. Once we got closer and saw the print quality, speed, and versatility in person, we immediately understood the value behind the technology. From plastics and glass to metal, it handled everything with outstanding precision, consistency, and production speed. For our business, Precise Group, specializing in branding, merchandise, and corporate gifts, the opportunity was immediately clear. We made the decision on the spot, and since installation, the machine has been running almost non-stop in the UAE. Today, it operates 16 to 22 hours daily across multiple shifts, producing thousands and thousands of bottles and containers while helping us unlock entirely new market opportunities. We identified a major regional Gap brands were importing pre-branded packaging because this level of local production capability simply did not exist in the region. With LSINC, we changed that. We are now helping companies reduce inventory, shorten lead times, and produce premium customized packaging locally with flexibility and speed. Despite the current geopolitical and market challenges, the results have spoken for themselves. The machine's reliability, consistency, and production capability gave us the confidence to invest in a second LSINC system after 2 successful years of operation, and we believe this is only the beginning. The Pro Technology team has also been exceptional throughout the entire journey, from installation and operator training to ongoing support, consumables, and spare parts whenever needed.